Hey guys, this is Ryan here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to locate the embroidery files that have already been digitized for a client. So first on the farm, we're going to go to the client folder, and now we're going to locate the desired client. So I'm just going to search Tough Shed, and we'll pull this one up. And from within the client folder, there should be a folder called embroidery. I'm going to click into there. And now if there were polos, that would be on there as well. But right now we only have hat files, so we're just going to go ahead and click into here. And there really isn't a set standard for these embroidery folders, and there absolutely should be. But basically what you're looking for is going to be a DST file, just making sure that the approved embroidery.emb file has been saved as a .dst. Now, looking at these files here, we can only assume that these two hat front files are exactly the same. They have the same stitch count. They were brought in at the same time. So I would assume that this DST file is approved and good to go, but in this case we're going to want to check with embroidery just to ensure that this is the correct file. If there was not a DST file within this folder or the desired embroidery folder, there is a video on how to convert a .emb file to a .dst, and that would be the next step within the process. Thanks for watching.